Did you know that Lucid Motors stock has seen some wild swings, with a staggering 300% increase in just a matter of months? That's right. If you're looking for a stock that could potentially make or break your portfolio, Lucid might just be the one. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of stock investing, specifically looking at Lucid Motors. We'll explore how understanding companies like Lucid can help you become a stock market genius. So, if you're ready to unravel the secrets of smart investing, stick around. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, let's get real for a second. The stock market can be a roller coaster ride. One day you're up, the next day you're down, and it's tough to figure out what's worth your hard-earned cash. Many investors struggle with identifying winning stocks, especially in a volatile market like we have today. With so many companies fighting for attention, how do you sift through the noise? And how do you know which stocks are truly worth investing in? It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, right? You can get overwhelmed by all the information out there, and it's easy to feel lost. But don't worry, that's why we're here, to break it down and make it simpler for you. Exploration/development. Now, let's take a closer look at Lucid Motors. This company has been making headlines for its innovative electric vehicles and ambitious plans to challenge the likes of Tesla. Their business model focuses on luxury EVs with cutting-edge technology, targeting a market that's rapidly expanding. Recently, Lucid has been ramping up production and even announced new models that could shake things up in the industry. Their position in the market is pretty promising, especially with the rising demand for sustainable transportation. Analysts are buzzing about Lucid's potential to carve out a significant share of the EV market. So, if you're considering adding this stock to your portfolio, it's crucial to understand what they're doing right and how they plan to keep growing. Climax/key moment. Here's the big moment. What does the data really say about Lucid Motors? Recent reports show that Lucid has received a strong number of pre-orders for their upcoming models, which could indicate that they're on the verge of a breakout. On the flip side, there are concerns regarding their production capabilities and whether they can meet the high expectations set by investors. So, what's the verdict? If you see the sustained demand coupled with their innovative tech, it could mean a significant rise in stock price. However, if they can't deliver on their production promises, it could lead to a steep decline. Keep an eye on their earnings reports and any news on production delays or breakthroughs, as these could be key indicators for the stock's future. Conclusion/summary. In summary, Lucid Motors presents a compelling case for investors looking to dive into the EV market. With a unique business model, a strong market position, and a lot of buzz surrounding their future, it's definitely a stock worth considering. Just remember, informed investing is key, and always do your own research before making any decisions. Call to action, CTA. So, what do you think? Are you considering investing in Lucid Motors, or do you have your eyes on another stock? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos on stock market strategies. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on all things investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.